Today I want to show you this small puzzle. Ta-ta! It's called RM Mini 3 from Board Link. Just have a look around the box. You can use the mobile phone to control sending IR signal, so replacing the remote control. So I will show you a little bit more details. It's quite small. There's a USB cable and a very small instruction, QR code for an app, I assume. What is inside here? Ta-da! So this very small one. Power and a reset button. Board link is at the bottom. So this is protected. I guess the IR signal will be sending from here to everywhere. And there's a LED indicator. Beside it, there's no switch anywhere. So I assume just, and according to the instruction, I need a 1 amp power adapter, so I need to find one. So let's have a look at the power cable. Now it's about 1 meter long. So now I need to find a power adapter for that. Okay, now I just borrowed the power adapter of my Sony mobile phone. It has a 1.5 amp and see how it goes. In the instruction there's a QR code for the e-control app, and now I have to scan the QR code. So now e-control app is installed and it's saying hello home. So, and okay, agree. Okay, let's skip this first. This do it later. So the indicator is flashing. According to the instruction, it's now it configure mode. So I have to go to here and enter my Wi-Fi details and press configure, see how it goes. Okay, that's connected. Now let me try to add a remote control here, and let's say TV, make a simple one. How do I teach this thing to simulate my remote control? This is the on-off button, waiting for button, so Paris. Okay, save successfully. It looks okay. Okay, I've just done the learning process for my Pioneer receiver and Samsung TV. Then you can see the two remotes here. I just want to give you a look here. You can see I have only defined few buttons. They become darker colors, and these are undefined buttons, and here I only define the number 1. So, and my receiver here, if you see here, there's only few buttons, but there are more user-defined buttons. And I have defined the network button here. I will use this for the demonstration, and you can name your button as you like. The next thing I want to show you is how to define a scene, and it's go to here, so that the first one is add remote, add scene, and add device. Add device, if you have another one, you can add one more. So add scene here. So then click on the plus. What do I want to do? I want to turn on the TV. So I don't want to use the power button because the power button can be on and off. But if I use a channel number, it always turn on or change the channel. So I press 1, then I call it on. So my TV takes some time to boot it, so the next command could be not responsive. I had a problem to find out how to add a delay, but until somehow I found out actually it's very easy. I just add the next action. And so instead of waiting for the TV, I can do some action on my receiver. So let's say I want to turn on my receiver as well. So turn on the receiver, on. And you can see in between there's a delay. Then the next one, I want to press the network button. Network. So press network button. Now I want to demonstrate the scene here I created. It's called Internet Radio. Basically it will turn on the TV and turn on the receiver, change the input source to the receiver, and the receiver will try to connect to the Internet Radio. Let's start it. Okay, started. You can see the TV turning on, and here the receiver is on as well, and there's a timer delay. We'll switch to the network, and you can see the TV now is changing the source, and there's also a delay waiting for the internet connection here. Now it's changing to the Internet Radio soon. Yes, and go there and go to the menu, go to the next page. And I'm going to select the 80s music if it's coming down, and click OK. And now basically it's pick the next page, the first station, just play randomly the first one. Okay, as you can see, it's playing the music now. I have to turn down the music, otherwise I will have trouble with the YouTube copyright. Okay, I just did the test with the scene, and here is my scene. Basically, it's turning on the TV and receiver, and switch to network, and switch the source of the TV, and so on. In between, I have to put a delay because it needs certain time to respond. I didn't want to put too long delay, so it takes quite long to get the number correct. At the moment it works, but I don't know whether it is. I have to change anything again. But this is the whole process I have to go through, navigate through the menu to get the internet radio. So now it helps me a lot. And this is the Broadlink IM Mini 3. Basically, this device is added to the home network, and this device sending command to the Broadlink Mini 3. So, and then it's sending the infrared signal from here to every direction, I guess, because I don't have any problem with the shadow of the signal. I can show you. This is how I place the device. Just to give you an idea how well the infrared signal working. This is my device, and on the other side is my TV. and my receiver is down here, so it has no problem at all to receive the signal from the Broadlink IM Mini. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try the Google Home and to control my devices. But I'm going to put this in the next video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye!